We'll turn a blank toothbrush cup into a funny M&M's holder. Let's get started with covering it white. When dry, apply the basic paint. Make it sunny yellow. Sketch the main character, yellow. Draw an egg shape. Add eyes and a smile and expressive eyebrows. Draw the main feature, the letter M. Paint the eyes in letter white. Define the details with a black marker. Start with the eyes. Draw a pupil. Leave the white reflection of light. Repeat for the other eye. Add a smile. The lovely yellow will smile at you every morning. It won't take long to make, but if you find it difficult, use a sticker or print out the image. Make 3D candies on the bottom. Use the hot glue. Make it in the same style as Skittles in the prank video. Squeeze button-shaped drops. Paint them in different colors: green, red, blue. Paint the letter M on each candy. Use a thin brush or a correction pen like we did in the previous video. Wow! It's cool! The happy yellow will cheer you up each time you need to brush your teeth. Let's make a couple of extra towel hooks. Let them look like giant stick candies. Take a garden hose. Cut it in half. Use thick aluminum wire as the base. Cut off the needed length. Put it in the hose. Paint it yellow. If you can still see the original hose color, paint it again. We'll need masking tape. Attach it in a spiral. Paint it pink. Remove the tape when dry. We've got 2 pieces. Hot glue the hole. Paint it pink. Bend the stick. The wire inside will make it easy. Shape a big hook. Repeat for the other end. The awesome hanging towel hooks look like giant stick candies. Hang them on your towel rack to get an extra towel or bathrobe holder. A chocolate bar organizer for cotton pads and Q-tips is just what you need in your bathroom. Take a plastic lunchbox. If there's a picture on it, remove it. We know a way to make it easy. Use a hairdryer. Heat the top. Wow! We're peeling it away quickly and easily. Paint the box in a dark chocolate color. Let it dry wide open. Paint the inside. We'll make the chocolate bar from air drying clay. We've made it in the Candy Style School Supplies video. Knead the clay in your hands. Roll it up flat. Place the box top down and press over. We've got the top imprinted. Cut it out with a craft knife. Place the clay bar on the box top. Make it checked. Split it into 3 parts across the short side. Press with the ruler edge to make a notch. Separate the long side into 4 parts. Press it over with the ruler. Hot glue the bar. Make it chocolate-like. Paint it dark brown. Put any small stuff you need in this tempting chocolate box. It's an easy, non-standard way to change your old, boring accessories into new stuff. Make your bathroom fabulous! Be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, give your thumbs up, and click the bell. Clink! It's a new video that just came out.